Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. First things first, head over to boomchange.com, the platform that facilitates the exchange process. In here, just enter the specific pairs you wish to swap. For instance, Tether USD TRC20 to PayPal. Then, just specify the amount you want to cash out and initiate the exchange by clicking on the designated button. On the subsequent page, just input your PayPal account address in the first section, then include any contact email from you in the second section, and proceed by clicking Continue. Ensure that all the details entered are accurate, then agree to the terms of use, and then just click Confirm. After that, just copy the provided USDT TRC20 address and access your Trust Wallet account. Enter then the details for Tether USD and paste the address provided by BoomChange. Then specify the amount to be sent and proceed. Keep also in mind the need for Tron for the network fee, which is approximately $1. Tron can be purchased directly from BoomChange if needed. After sending your cryptos to BoomChange address, just return to the website and click I have paid. After that, the process is now complete. All that is left is to wait for a period, typically between 10 to 60 minutes, though some transactions may take longer. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.